DWI checkpoints in Suffolk County, your rights. When you encounter a DWI checkpoint in Suffolk County, understanding your constitutional rights can make the difference between a routine stop and serious legal consequences. Properly conducted DWI checkpoints are generally legal in Suffolk County and across New York State, but officers must follow strict procedures that limit their discretion. In People v. Scott, the New York Court of Appeals ruled that checkpoints must operate under written supervisory guidelines to prevent officers from making arbitrary stops. At a Suffolk County DWI checkpoint, officers typically set up with cones, signs, and lighting while following a neutral selection method like stopping every vehicle or every third vehicle. During the initial stop, police look for visible signs of impairment including the odor of alcohol, bloodshot eyes, slurred speech, and fumbling while retrieving documents. If officers observe potential indicators of impairment, they may direct you to a secondary screening area for field sobriety tests and portable breath screening. You must provide your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance when requested under New York vehicle and traffic law. However, you are not required to answer questions about where you have been, where you are going, or whether you have been drinking alcohol. The right to remain silent applies at checkpoints, and you can politely decline by saying you prefer not to answer questions. If placed under arrest for DWI, New York's implied consent law requires you to submit to a chemical test or face immediate license suspension. Refusing a post-arrest chemical test can trigger license revocation for at least 1 year and a $500 civil penalty for a first refusal. You can legally turn around to avoid a checkpoint, but any traffic violation committed while changing direction gives officers independent grounds for a stop. Jason Bassett, a former prosecutor with over 25 years of criminal law experience, challenges checkpoint cases by examining whether police followed proper legal procedures. As a former Special Assistant Attorney General and Assistant District Attorney, this lawyer understands how prosecution builds DWI cases from checkpoint evidence. If officers deviate from approved checkpoint procedures, any evidence collected may be successfully challenged in court through proper legal representation. Contact law offices of Jason Bassett, PC at 631-259-6060, located at 320 Carlton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, United States, to schedule your free consultation today.